Hi students, I wanted to go ahead and give you a little bit of a video so you understand what's happening for the rest of the semester. Basically, you're almost on like a self-study for the rest of the semester. But I need you to take it very seriously because there's a lot of work that you need to do. So that's why I wanted to get on the video and talk to you. So if you look in your module, you'll see this screen, which is basically the same screen that I put up before in your last module, only this time you have to start doing it. And I'm going to have due dates, even though a lot of this is going to be a self-study. You still have due dates that you need to adhere to. So what you are going to be doing is, as I mentioned in the last module, you need to start finding your 10 articles that relate to your subject that you have chosen and you have gotten approved. You need to make an appointment at the OTC librarian and go to the library, go to the appointment, and you need to talk to the librarian and get tips on how to research your topic. Many of you have lots of issues. You've been telling me that, you can't find a lot of articles and things of that nature, and now this is your chance that I'm making you go to the library. I want you to go there, and I'm going to have a assignment that you have to submit some kind of proof that you went to the library. After you go to the library, anytime you want to come in and talk to me about your project, please, I want you to. So just remember that. You need to make a chart that has all your articles that you have found, the 10 that we're asking you to find, and they need to be 10 different articles. And then, excuse me while I kind of switch screens. Hopefully this will work. Then you have, then you have another content page. It's going to be a little different than this because I have to fix it up. But basically, you're going to be writing 3 caps, and you're going to be submitting them in to me. Now, those 3 caps are going to be 3 of the articles that you picked. Those are summative points, so you need to make sure that you do a good job, that you have good articles, that you do a good job. I have a PowerPoint that will help you just remind you of some of the things about caps as well. And then the only other thing that is really going to be happening is you're going to have your final exam based on all the information you've learned. Now, in the last lesson, there were 2 PowerPoints with a total of like almost 70 slides, and those slides are critical to your final exam. And I will be putting together a review for that. So I'll be adding that to your modules. And then, so basically for the rest of the semester, you're going to be doing your caps, you're going to be doing your final exam, and you're going to be getting your 10 articles, and you're going to be going to the library. This is almost, like I said before, like a self-study, because you'll be able to do this at your own pace, but please do not wait till the end, because the caps are not easy to do, and finding your articles, as some of you know, are not easy to do anyway. So just a little heads up as to what's going on. Hope you're all doing well.